She plant a microdot, but the recording not come out good because it's damaged.
So that not put it back a square one now, bossy?
No, sir. I already have a location and a hunch where me I work off of.
Don't leave me out of the loop, you know.
Don't worry yourself. If me suspect exactly what happened, I know me gonna need you.
So what about me?
So what about you? Your hands them full already. The case that with your brother, you stay on that.
Yeah. I asked Mr. Mullins to let me talk to him and my mother in the interrogation room.
You sure that wise?
Hold on there. Your mother?
Yeah. Me da for tell her.
Based on what she tell me, it's like her mother did done suspect already.
Sean using one phone call and call Maureen. But when he give me a phone, him say all this police. I never know say Maureen him call. Bubbles, I talk to her and I make sure understand how important this is and she could keep it to herself.
I only hope she understand.
The life of Maureen used to live and the things that were attached to her name, she better keep her mouth shut.
That sound like a threat.
It's not a threat, you know. She just need to do the right thing. Cause me, I gotta do the right thing.
I'ma ask you this. Kareem ever show any kind of suspicion to what you do?
No. But that is something I want to talk to you about.
What happened? You feel like telling?
Yeah. I feel like him can handle it. I don't want him to find out before me even tell him.
I can't say I don't understand.
I'm glad you understand. And I hope Mr. Mullins understand too. I think Whisper for tell Patsy too as well.
No, we're not doing it. I feel like now at the right time.
Why you feel so?
Right now, at this point, and I say, she move certain way, but she hear dub now. I mean, I'm gonna say nothing and then it just trigger everything I come behind it.
Whisper, are you say she hear double, you know? If she go find out in another state there where her arm was them a kick, you don't think it'll go worse?
Tonya, hear me say. At this point, we just feel like someone have to tell her. You see that chance is what me willing to take. So just respect that.
Listen, everybody have to make their own decision. We made ours. Allow Whisper to make it female. Make what change your time. You go Spanish Town yesterday, right, Whisper?
Yeah, I thought it is. But I feel like say, I'm a pray based on my talk, and then I explain to him how everything work out. After that, he come to him senses. But he don't know how vicious there.
I just hope him not gonna do nothing stupid. That's all me I say.
One more thing, bossy. I make a request for it is butcher. I give him a word, so I'm gonna make him see him friend.
Consider it done.
Bro, I'm sorry for sound like me.
Push.
Me no mean it no way.
That good, man. One second. Hello? What? Where there? Alright, yo, I'm here come. Patsy, don't go around the steering wheel. I say me a forward. That me can't take with you, man. And I like listen. Eva, me a fall. Bossy, drop her in the house. Please.
Everything alright?
We will call him, we make him know that.